Hey folks, welcome back. As you can see, I'm using the same background because I've got good lighting and a nice background. But last week we talked about confidence in catfishing. Very important, keep your attitude high. This time I want to talk about success versus failure and how to utilize both of them to be more effective. Written about it, I talk about it a lot in seminars this year. The first thing is success. Everybody loves success. Everybody loves to be successful. In fact, the tug is the drug, so to speak. You gotta catch that big fish. That's what keeps us all coming back. If you never have success and never catch fish, what's the point of going fishing? Of course, I get that. But what happens on a bad day? Mother Nature throws a little curveball in, fish aren't really cooperating. What do you do with that? Some folks just go, fish weren't biting, they go home, move on. But are you really thinking about it? Going back and trying to figure out, how could I be better? What went wrong? Where were the fish? What could I do to improve? I want to tell you about one specific day. It was September 18th, 2011. The one and only time I was skunked guiding. That was over 400 trips ago now. It was miserable. And that trip forced me into thinking, learning about water temperature, which ultimately came out as a major portion of cracking the Channel Catfish Code, and now into Advanced Catfishing Made Easy. What happened there is that failure, that dismal failure, got me thinking, what went wrong? What can I do to be better? And lateral movement was brought up. Now, getting ready for seminar season this week, I needed to grab a graphic from that day. And I happened to go back and look at the weather, and the weather program we used, wunderground.com, wasn't really being used at the time I went through the research. And by golly, I found the correlation in the barometer on that day that made that day so bad. You know what happened? I was fishing too aggressively. But I was able to utilize that failure to come in to be more successful in the end. So, of course, be successful. Love the success, enjoy the success. But don't let failure be just that, failure. Utilize that failure to learn and be more successful. Until next time, I'm Brad Durick.